another new day, another wonderful opportunity to feel alive. And let's share some thoughts for tough times today. It's always good to have an opportunity to amplify your awareness about how things work for you, how things work in life, what are the truths, because very often it takes a tiny little thing to change the context. When you change the context, the meaning of what you're working with, everything just reordains and changes as well. It's the most wonderful thing. It's almost like working in Excel. You do change one little number, and the whole thing just goes, and everything changes. Not that I know how to do Excel. I mean, that's an art of note. So let's look at some thoughts for tough times. But today, before we begin, I want you to, and I invite you to, give yourself permission to receive wonderful value for your life. So just say, I give myself permission to receive value from sharing these few moments with Mama C today. So let's begin with broke. Broke is something that many of us face in terms of having all the financial commitments and all the things that needs attention and all the things that needs money. And in today's times, that can be a challenge for a lot of people. What am I going to do? How am I going to pay for this? Where am I going to get money for that? What's going to happen now? How am I going to afford this? What am I going to do there? And when we think of ourselves as broken, we think of ourselves as broke. Broke is not broken. Being broke is not the same as being broken. And losing money is not the same as being lost. And finding your balance is not something you can do on a balance sheet. So you need to remember that every single day of your life, when you go to bed at night and you put your head down to sleep, that day had enough. It doesn't matter whether you manage to pay for things or not. Every day of your life to date has had enough. There was enough for that day. So broke is not broken. And being broke is not the same as being broken. Being broke doesn't mean that your life is now at an end, that nothing's going to happen. You always find a way to get through this day. And when you can just give yourself that reassurance, that appreciation, that you are resourceful, you are resilient, you are tenacious. Don't let the thought of being broke make you feel like you are broken, that you are defeated, that you're not going to make it through this day. You do. And your whole life shows you that you've managed to get through those days. In my own life too, I've lived a very simple life, my entire life. It's how I choose it. But I've also had times when I really didn't know how I was going to manage, how I was going to see through, how I was going to get through to the end of the month, because we live month by month by month. What a waste of our lives. And besides, most of the time when I got paid at the end of the month, already my money was gone. It was swallowed up by overdrafts and credit cards, and there was nothing left to live for except to go and indulge myself into feeling more and more broke. Don't confuse having less with being less. Don't confuse having less with having no worth. Having more with being more. What you have now with who you are, just as a precious, unique, unrepeatable. There's nobody that can repeat you. There's nobody that can match you. There's nobody that can stand in for you. That makes you very precious and very important. So I invite you today, slow down, savor life and slow down. When you're in a hurry, go slowly. Just go slowly. The faster you go in life, the sooner it's a blur. It's wonderful to think of yourself as being able to go in one of these Aston Martins or Ferraris or Lamborghinis, and to drive on the Autobahn in Germany at 250 or 300 or whatever kilometers those cars can go at. Sure, but what can you see? What can you enjoy about all the beauty of nature around you? Not much. So when you go slow, save a life. Having less doesn't mean that you are less. And broke is not being broken. So these are thoughts to consider because we are living in tough times. Be gentle with yourself and recognize no matter what life gives you, you always get through it. You will never be given more than you can handle. So be gentle with yourself, reassure yourself, and appreciate who you are, what you represent, and how much you've already achieved in life. That is special, and money cannot buy that. And besides, no matter how wealthy you are, money cannot buy you health. Money cannot buy you a good sense of well-being. No. That is something that you can only give yourself. Even someone like Steve Jobs, who said he would give up all of Apple, he would give up all his billions just to be able to get old or grow old with his family. He would be willing to be poor just so that he could have his health, to grow old with his wife and kids. And all his money couldn't buy him his health. So broke is not broken. Save a life, slow down, and be good to yourself. Some reassurance and some appreciation for yourself. Some nice self-talk, some caring self-talk, some reassuring self-talk goes a long way. It was wonderful to share these few moments with you. If you like what I share, please click the subscribe button, press the little black bell, and leave a comment if you will. Thank you. It was wonderful to see you. Take care. And soon, such is life. Bye.